In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable payments on Weebly. Whether you're looking to start a small business online or simply want to add e-commerce functionality to your existing Weebly site, enabling payments is a crucial step. This will allow you to accept and process transactions seamlessly, enhancing the customer experience and driving sales. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Weebly website. You'll want to open your favorite browser and navigate to Weebly's homepage. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on Login. This is where you'll be accessing your account to make the necessary changes. Now, if you haven't already, you'll need to link your Weebly account with Square. Square is the payment processor that Weebly uses, and linking these accounts is crucial for handling transactions. Go ahead and click on Login with Square. You'll be prompted to enter your Square account details if you aren't already logged in. Follow the on-screen instructions to handle this step and you'll soon be connected. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard area. Here, you'll see a range of options and tools to manage your website. What we're looking for is the Overview section. Click on Overview located on the left-hand menu to access the key settings for your site. Next, we're going to head into the settings. You'll find the settings option towards the bottom of the menu. Go ahead and click on it. The settings area is where you can manage various aspects of your Weebly site, including the vital aspect of enabling payment options. Inside the settings, navigate to the checkout section. This is the part of your site where all payment processing settings reside. By clicking on checkout, you're taking a step closer to configuring how payments are processed on your site. Now let's focus on collecting payments. Within the checkout settings, you'll find an option labeled Collect Payments. Click on this option as it's crucial to handling transactions on your site. This is where you define how you want to handle customer payments. Finally, there's one last step, connecting your payment option. Simply click on Connect to finalize the setup. By connecting, you're enabling the mechanism through which your customers can make payments, effectively setting up your site to take full advantage of online commerce capabilities. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully enabled payments on your Weebly site. Your customers can now make purchases with ease, and you've opened the door to a world of e-commerce possibilities. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues, both Weebly and Square offer customer support and resources to help you out. Thank you for watching, and here's to your online business success.